You thirsty? Complete water.
What a savage. Where'd this guy go?
He doesn't know where I am right now. I'm hiding. Let's see if we can find him.
See how much I paid for my Forester.
Yeah,
well,
but
actually less than that.
did you get a Dodge Caravan 2006? No, because you're not cool.
No, it's true.
Hey, that camera should be on me at all times. I'm the important one, alright? Okay, now we got the Sunfire. This is the official I smoke in my car vehicle. Because when you see somebody driving a Sunfire, they definitely smoke in it. Look, it comes with an ashtray because they know you're gonna smoke in it. And it has this cool, like, weavy, oh, look at me, I'm so hip interior. We got Barbie books. Barbie's Princess Charm School. All right, let's read the first page, okay? I want to read this, okay? Look, it's in French and English.
Okay.
Today is the opening, the annual process of Princess Charm School. Each year, one lucky girl is chosen among many candidates to attend for free. Damn, this is a hard-ass book.
Oh.
I love. So basically the Jeep Patriot is the best, most reliable, understandable, comprehensible, expendable, defendable car there is on the market.
It is.
Look at this. If you drive this, you are a exceptionally well person. This is definitely all right. Okay, that's a good tire. I know you're gonna say, oh, it's a terrible tire. Well, nobody cares about your opinion, all right?
For the F section, you can definitely tell by these vehicles.
Yeah.
Ooh, V6, Ram Air.
Yeah, dude, it rams the air in it so much. So much. Let's look at this. Look at all that air. Wow, that's a lot. That's a lot of air to be rammed. Welcome back to the scrapyard. Walk around. We're gonna start it. We're starting the video right now, this second. No delay. Let's get going. You thirsty? Complete water.
What a savage.
Dude, that water tastes a little stale.
This man is crazy for views.
I will do anything.
We'll do anything for content. He's so crazy, later he's gonna eat 2 junior chickens on camera.
That's pretty good. I was a little thirsty.
Yeah. Where'd this guy go?
He doesn't know where I am right now. I'm hiding. Let's see if we can find him. Did I do a good job at least?
You did, I couldn't find you.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Damn, look. Look on top. You could drive on top.
Oh my god. I'm actually more interested in the vehicle beside it.
There's the original dealership thing in here, dude. It's a cool find. Check this out. We got the Caravan 2006 model. Originally, this was $30,000.
Oh my god.
Got the anti-rust. Damn.
That's literally how much I paid for my Forester.
Yeah,
well,
but
actually less than that.
did you get a Dodge Caravan 2006? No, because you're not cool.
No, it's true.
Let's put this back.
I'm gonna go trade in my Forester for that.
You better. If you don't, I don't want to tell you what's gonna happen, but it's not gonna be safe or inspiring. Ow!
Well, that's what you get for not mentioning the Patriot.
We don't even have a Patriot, all right? There's nothing. Oh, this one smells like sweat.
Turn on your smell-o-vision, guys.
I thought it was more money, but unfortunately, it's just a battery. Brother, brown paper. That's a napkin. Wow, this is very dirty. Very dirty. Lots of... Hey, that camera should be on me at all times. I'm the important one, alright? Old Ford Escort. Alright, I get it. Okay. Oof. Come smell this. This is the old car smell. Comment. Hey.
Yeah, no, it's good. It's good. I like it. I like it.
You better like it.
Oh, Jesus. Just feel like I got something in my mouth.
Felt it in your mouth.
Yeah.
What did you feel in your mouth?
I don't know. Shit.
Oh. Safari. There's a lot older American cars here.
Well, this is what we get for not trying to sneak into the premium section.
Yeah, well, we're law-abiding citizens, okay? We do not sneak, okay?
Only for Travis Scott concerts.
Only for, I don't know.
At the Bell
Nothing.
Center. Woo.
Should I drink that water too? No, I'm not doing that. I still have the taste of the water in my mouth. We can clickbait the video. He drinks mystery fluid? Question mark. Oh,
Jackpot.
doesn't smell good.
We got worms.
Literally, dude, look at the worms.
The little worm toys. There's allergy medication down there.
That's a weird
Shoe. There's a sandal. Jackpot. Purse. Box.
jewelry box. I'm gonna keep this. Put my jewelry in it.
Put my worms in it.
It's the worm box. It's the worm box. Holy! Think something hit the windshield, the windscreen, the vision wall. Oh, gross. Uh-oh. We got Barbie books. Barbie's Princess Charm School. All right, let's read the first page, okay? I want to read this, okay? Look, it's in French and English.
Okay.
Today is the opening, the annual process of Princess Charm School. Each year, one lucky girl is chosen among many candidates to attend for free. Damn, this is a hard ass book. That caravan.
Because I carry, man. Wait. There you go. Oh.
I love. Holy. No thanks, I don't want that car. Let's keep it out. Keep it out, alright? Dude, all I smell is old car. Literally, that's all that's in the air right here.
It's why I wonder why.
I got a Jeep. So basically the Jeep Patriot is the best, most reliable, understandable, comprehensible, expendable, defendable car there is on the market.
It is.
Look at this. If you drive this, you are a exceptionally well person. Nothing bad to say. If you look up online, you won't find a single negative comment about this car. Everyone's be like, oh my god, the Jeep Patriot. Oh, I love it so much.
Goated.
I'm such a patriot.
Yeah.
I'm a patriot for the Patriot. Okay, now we got the Sunfire. This is the official I smoke in my car vehicle. Because when you see somebody driving a Sunfire, they definitely smoke in it. Look, it comes with an ashtray because they know you're gonna smoke in it. And it has this cool, like weavy, oh look at me, I'm so hip interior. Now we have the Ford Focus. I was gonna look at this one, but this one looks way spicier. So let's talk about this one over here. This is definitely all right. Okay, that's a good tire. I know you're gonna say, oh, it's a terrible tire. Well, nobody cares about your opinion, all right? Are you on YouTube? No, okay? I have 200 subscribers, okay? Gosh. Now, it smells good in this car. I think I found why. Black eyes. Time to move on. All I can see is Dodge Caravans, and I'm tired of talking about Dodge Caravans, okay? Stop buying these vehicles. Why are you buying Dodge Caravans? Let's look at this. This is a little bit leather, a little bit Ford Focusy. I'll tell you what this car is. All right. Come on, Carlo. This is the official car of, hey, I have Monte Carlo. All right, I have Monte Carlo, and I just love Chevrolet products so much. I'm just a Chevy boy. I honestly don't know what to say about it. It's ugly. I don't know why people buy them. But yeah. Comment below how terrible of a person I am. Say anything, I don't care. Let's keep going. Do you see this? What did I just say? Stop buying caravans. We're gonna do a whole video on why you should buy a caravan. You should care, man. All right, so we got another Cavalier. This is the same as the Sunfire. Cavalier and the Sunfire are basically the same cars. It doesn't matter which one, there's always somebody smoking cigarettes, chain smoking one by one after another. Oh my gosh, it has hubcaps. Damn. 15 by 6. Why is it 6? Because 6 out of 10, the best. Yeah. So we're over here, we're looking at the, now we got the Grand Am. Oh. Our grand plan was to show you the Grand Am.
We're in the F section. You can definitely tell by these vehicles.
Yeah.
Ooh, V6, Ram Air.
Yeah, dude, it rams the air in it so much. So much. Let's look at this. Look at all that air. Wow, that's a lot. That's a lot of air to be rammed. And I know what you're saying. Oh, isn't this a Dodge Ram? No, it's not, okay? They say Ram, they don't mean Dodge Ram, okay?
Dodge doesn't own the term.
The door's locked. All right, I was gonna show you it, but I don't know, man. I don't know what to tell you. We can't look at it. Now, this is an old Cherokee. I know a lot of people like the Cherokees, so they're garbage. I don't care. This thing is torn apart, though. This is torn apart. I don't know what this engine is. No clue. Oh, wait.
I see an applesauce container. Does that tell you?
Where? I want to eat it. Okay, no, it's empty. I can't. I don't know. What is this? What in the fiddly foodles is this? Oh, I think it's over there. I see the manufacturer sticker. Four liter. All right. So we're gonna end it there. Like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah.
Tell your children to be good people.